Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying rights and capturing evidence. First, identify the clip source and license. Public domain or Creative Commons by /CC0 are safest. Once done, record exact timestamps and take screenshots of the source page as proof, and store a small metadata file that lists author, license, and URL. Make sure to trim the clip to only the portion you need. This reduces risk and clarifies purpose. Now move the trimmed file into a dedicated project folder so your workflow stays organized. You must transform the clip meaningfully to strengthen fair use and comply with licenses. Add voiceover commentary, visual overlays, or remixes that change purpose and expression. Explain why the clip is used. Once done, render with visible on-screen context, titles, captions, and analysis, so viewers and reviewers see the new purpose. Make sure to include accurate attribution in the video description and add license details. Also archive source files and edit project files. These records help if a dispute arises. You upload with full documentation. Include source, license, author, and why the clip is transformed. Once published, monitor content ID and manual claims. Use YouTube's dispute flow with your evidence packet if you believe your use is licensed or fair use. If a claim persists, prepare a counter notice only when confident and legally prepared for potential consequences. Troubleshooting tip: if automated takedown repeats, pause uploads. Consult a copyright-savvy attorney and gather your metadata, project files, and screenshots before responding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.